we will be enjoying a story from ancient wisdom, and this is somewhat recent ancient wisdom. The story concerns Kalidas and Telani Ram. Kalidas was in the Darbar or Rajya Sabha of Raja Bhoj at Dharanagari, and Tenali Ram was in the Rajya Sabha of Krishna Devarai. Interestingly, these people's stories or stories belonging to these two geniuses have been extrapolated to be stories of Akbar Birbal in the later days, or even they have been attributed to Mullah Nasruddin. Whereas these were the two geniuses from our own ancient wisdom. So, first we will come to Kalidas. Kalidas, as the name goes, was Das of Kali, another roop of Kali, and he was Shabda Prabhu. So, the language would move as Kalidas would have it move. And Kalidas had such a command on language that no other Pandit or contemporary of that time could come anywhere near to it. Raja Bhoj was known to appreciate art, and that is why many Pandit, many artists, many skilled people would want to come to Dharanagari and show their expertise in order to get some gift or appreciation. But on the other hand, people would also come to challenge Kalidas, because Kalidas, Kavi Kulaguru Kalidas, in his lifetime had become a legend, something that you could challenge, and even if you could not forget about beating him, but if you stay with him in a debate for some time, that itself would be speaking of your own skills and talent and intelligence. So, many such Pandits used to come to Dharanagari to debate with Kalidas. One day, Kalidas heard that a Pandit from Kashi, a very well known Pandit, a unique one, had come to Dharanagari, and he was to challenge Kalidas in the days to come. Kalidas wanted to be prepared for the debate. So, what Kalidas did was he went to the place of this Pandit disguised as Bhoi, the palanquin bearer, and he lifted the palki of the Pandit with four other bearers. Going some place, after a few steps, Kalidas was tired. Naturally, he was a poet, not a Bhoi by profession. So, he was tired and he stopped to take breath or collect his breath. And the Pandit in the palki asked him, "Are you tired or are you hurt?" in Sanskrit. And Kalidas replied, "I am not hurt or tired so much by carrying you, but I am hurt by the wrong language or lower level language used by you." The Pandit sat upright. "I made a mistake in language. What was it?" And Kalidas explained the mistake to him, or the blunder. And the Pandit was shocked. "You, a Bhoi, know so much of Sanskrit? How come?" And Kalidas, of course in disguise as Bhoi replied to him, "No, sir, I don't know much Sanskrit. But when I am not here, many times I carry the palki of Kalidas. And whatever knowledge I got is what I have overheard Kavi Kulguru Kalidas speaking." The Pandit was shocked. He could not sleep that night. The person whose bhoi, whose servant is so knowledgeable in Sanskrit, what that person would be, and how can I face him tomorrow? And if I face him tomorrow and I have a loss of face, what do I do? So thinking, early morning, the Pandit collected his luggage and left Dharanagari. That is the beauty and the intelligence of Kalidas. Some more stories to come in coming episodes. Namaskar.